Hey YouTube, an update on my hydro. This here is my penstock material. It is inside diameter 74 millimeters, and it goes down the hill about 300 meters. The incline that it goes down is not consistent. So if I ever draw air into the penstock, it can be awkward to get the air out of the penstock. And my experimenting has made me realize that the drought that we have every summer, or every second summer, reduces the water level in the river so that I can draw more water through that 74 millimeters than the river can actually provide. So occasionally I suck air just with the experimenting that I'm doing, different jet sizes, different number of jets. When I'm at full flow, I can draw air in the summer, which is a problem because it doesn't always bleed out easily. So what I came up with is like a ball cock. This sits in my pickup, and this is a ball cock float. If the water level goes down, I'll put a cork in here. But if the water level goes down, this float goes down and blocks off the ports. The water level rises again, and the float goes up, and the ports become open. They worked really well, apart from this is just a proof of concept, and it's so loose that in the closed position air leaked into the system around here, and also in the open position there wasn't, I thought that there probably wasn't enough capacity through these two holes to allow enough water in there. So then I went to version 2, which is a T. My penstock would go in here, and I'd have a cap on both ends, so a cap on that end and a cap on this end, and a float here and a float here. When the filter box was full of water, the float would be up and both ports would be open, and 2 ports in each rotary valve, so 4 ports would be open. That worked really well. No problems with flowing, with limiting my flow. I was able to get full flow rate out the bottom with all the jets open with big jets. The problem arose in the drought again, when these floats dropped down and partially closed and then eventually fully closed the ports off. All the water leaked around the ports. I don't know if you can see that movement. There's a lot of movement there and a lot of movement there. The water leaked around the ports, around the valves and through, and I was able to drag air into the system again. I've just overcome that by building a stainless version of what you see in front of you there. I fitted the stainless version just now, and yeah, it's been very successful. So that's what I've got at my pickup screen, just underneath the filter in a drum in the creek.